Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try royal blue shirt with white pants and sky blue sneakers. Next you can try beach polo t-shirt with black pants and beach loafers. Next you can try green striped t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try red polo t-shirt with white shorts and black and white sneakers. Next you can try white and sky blue printed shirt with blue ripped jeans and black and white loafers. Next you can try blue striped shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black and white striped t-shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try grey half sleeve shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try grey full sleeve shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 pastel color outfit ideas.